Namaste. How are all of you? And I do hope that you're following the Fitness Project 2021 in its complete totality. Because some fitness projects deserve to be done in complete totality. This is one such project because it actually works at reviving our age-old secrets. It works at reconnecting us with our kitchens, and it works at reviving our relationship with food one more time. So thank you very much for all of you who've been filling up the forms and letting me know how well your progress is going. So what is the guideline for week number 11? तो week number 11 की guideline ये है that bring back the kadhi in your life. If we started the fitness project with bring back the kadhai, then we are now almost closing the project with saying bring back the kadhi. And why should you bring back the kadhi? For flawless skin and for easy digestion. So if you don't want the constipation that comes with the summer, if you don't want the breakouts and the pimples that come with the summer, if you don't want those painful periods that come with the summer, then all you need to do is go back to one of these soon to be lost secrets of the Indian kitchen, which is the kadhi. अभी कढ़ी क्या है basically? तो आयुर्वेद में कढ़ी is something which is used in the summers to revive the appetite. It is used for quick recovery. It is used for building strength after dehydration, and most importantly, it is used as an easy to eat and digest meal बिकॉज ये मील में आपको प्रीबायोटिक भी मिलता है, प्रोबायोटिक भी मिलता है, अमाइनो एसिड्स भी मिलते हैं, B12 भी मिलते हैं और पूरा ही न्यूट्रिएंट्स का खजाना मिलता है. अभी जब भी आप कढ़ी खाते हो तो आपका वात दोष जो है वो शांत हो जाता है, आपको रातों को ज्यादा अच्छी से नींद आने लगती है, एंड योर स्किन पिगमेंटेशन, माइग्रेन्स एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट आल्सो बिगिंस टू गेट बेटर. Kadhi is often a meal which is eaten with rice, and therefore it makes for a complete meal. Lunch के time पे summers में a lot of us lose our appetite, and kadhi chawal makes for an excellent meal which is light on the stomach, easy to digest, but still provides you with all the nutrients that you will otherwise not have access to if you just do not eat. So that is something that you need to remember. The other thing that you must know that our grandmothers were really especially brilliant. देखो जैसे जैसे समर बढ़ता है वैसे वैसे दही जो हम लगाते हैं वो भी खट्टा होने लगता है. जब दही खट्टा होता है तो ना दही खाने में मजा आता है, ना ही उसका छाछ बना के पीने में मजा आता है. अभी कढ़ी में स्पेशली यू नीड दही विच हैज गॉन अ लिटिल बिट सार, या ऐसा दही आपको, ऐसे दही की आपको जरूरत होती है जो कि खट्टा हो गया हो. एंड खट्टा दही हर वीक आपको मिलेगा ही जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द हीट. नाउ व्हाट कढ़ी मीन्स इज दैट यू टेक दिस खट्टा दही, you mix it along with pulses like besan, or you could mix it with kurit, you could mix it with millets like ragi, and you could make ambir out of it, or you mix it with the seasonal specialities like the desi cucumber and make kheru out of it, like the way Himachal does it. तो हमारे हर एक रीजन में there are specialities of what to do with the dahi that has gone sour. वैसे तो zero wastage crusaders, original zero wastage crusaders were our dadi and nani mas only. They knew that resources should be redesigned so that the gut health is looked after. Dehydration and loss of appetite invariably means that there is a compromise on your gut health, which is why the skin doesn't look as good, which is why there is a shift in the way your bowel, there is a shift in the bowel movements. You pass much more gas, you're much more constipated, and by evening you actually have a distended stomach. अगर आपको ये इसमें से कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, just go back to eating your कढ़ी चावल. कढ़ी आप जैसे कि मैंने कहा, आप कढ़ी चावल खा सकते हो, या आप अम्बर खा सकते हो, या आप कुरित खा सकते हो, या आप सिंपली खेरू खा सकते हो, लेकिन दही, उसमें थोड़ा सा पल्सेस एंड स्पाइसेस एंड तड़का, दैट इज रियली the magical combination when you eat with rice. That's the combination that gives you all the nutrients, all the calmness in the stomach. तो मूड भी अच्छा रहता है, स्किन भी अच्छा रहता है, और पेट भी लाइट रहता है. तो that's the tip for the week. Please follow it. Do not forget to fill in your forms, and this is especially important for not just everyone with skin issues and stomach issues, but also for those with IBS, for everyone with migraines, and for the ones who feel that they are not able to recover or cope up with their current exercise program. So for all of you, this tip is especially important. So bring back the kadai, revive this lost recipe, and make sure that it reaches at least up to the generation of your grandchildren. So that's the guideline. Do not forget to fill out your forms. And for all those of you who are interested in eating seasonal food and knowing where you can get more information about it, you will find it in my book, Eating in the Age of Dieting. We have a full chapter on seasonal specialities and why you need to eat them. I think I can actually just hear the question in your heart, which is kadhi samosa kha sakte hai kya? You know, even samosa is eaten with kadhi in the summers. That is the speciality of the Indian kitchen. In fact, there is even a preparation in North India which is called kadhi pakode. You know, मतलब कढ़ी बनाते हैं, पकोड़े सेपरेटली बनाते हैं, लेकिन पकोड़े खाने का मन सिर्फ विंटर में होता है या मॉनसून में होता है, तो उन्हें समर में कैसे खाएं? कढ़ी में डुबा के खाएं. तो जहाँ पर इतनी डाइवर्सिटी है, you know, of using sour dahi, spices, tadka and rice, why are we letting go of it? You know, so that is what we need for a good skin and for a flat stomach. Bring back the kadai, ladies and gentlemen, and the kadhi too. Okay, and don't forget to fill out your forms. I'll look forward to seeing you next Tuesday at 4 p.m. and I will answer questions till then. Yes.
Okay, so the first question is that if I cannot digest milk, can I still have kadhi?
Of course, there is no milk left in the kadhi. You know, so kadhi जो है वो दही पहले आपको बनाना पड़ता है, so already lactose gets converted by the healthy bacteria. Now you have easy to digest dahi or ya buttermilk, which is then further in a way pre-digested by tempering it with spices and tadka, curry leaves, jeera, black pepper, and mixing it with a little bit of pulses and stuff. So it's a pre-digested mix already. Agar you're suffering from loss of appetite, if you're in fact getting all of these allergies and intolerances to various foods, you really need to bring back the regular consumption of curry in the season of summer.
Someone is saying that she's lactose and gluten intolerant. So will this work for her?
ना इसमें lactose है ना इसमें gluten है, तो आप इसे safely खा सकते हो.
Okay, what is the best time to have curry? Lunch or dinner?
Okay, so lunch is typically supposed to be the good time for kadhi because then it gets digested well. Lunch is also the time when you are most dehydrated. Lunch is also the time when you lose the appetite the most. Summers में lunch ही खाने का मन नहीं करता है और फिर रात को you know sugar craving ज़्यादा बढ़ता है because we don't land up eating lunch and we don't land up eating it on time. So lunch ideally, पर अगर lunch में आप नहीं कर पाए तो dinner भी चलेगा.
तो हमारे घर रीजन में जो कढ़ी बनाते हैं वो हमको खानी चाहिए या एक जो आपने बताया रेसिपी वो वाला?
वेल आपको श्योरली आपके रीजन की कढ़ी खानी चाहिए. आपके रीजन की जो खट्टे दही और स्पाइसेस और तड़के के साथ जो स्पेशलिटी है, जिसमें कभी कभी पल्सेस मिक्स होते हैं या फिर वेजिटेबल्स मिक्स होते हैं या फिर मिलेट्स मिक्स होते हैं, आपके रीजन की जो है वो आपको ज़रूर रिवाइव करके आपके किचन में बनानी चाहिए. और फिर कभी कभार शौक के लिए जो मैं अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट करूँगी या मेरे मदर को बोलूँगी कि आप थोड़ा मराठी रेसिपीज कढ़ी के पोस्ट करो, तो वो आप शौक के लिए या चेंज के लिए बना सकते हो, लेकिन जो आपको रेगुलरली यूज़ करनी है वो आपके रीजन की ही कढ़ी है.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन, अगर एसिडिटी का प्रॉब्लम है देन कैन वी हैव कढ़ी?
Absolutely, but then you should surely do two things. Eat the curry only with rice and eat it only for lunch. That's the only specification for acidity. वैसे अभी समर्स में स्पेशल लंगर भी लगते हैं जहां लंगर में सिर्फ कढ़ी चावल बनता है and nothing else, because this is really a method of celebrating the season of summer with a therapeutic meal almost, which will set the skin and the stomach in a good place.
Sorry, one last question. Can we add vegetables to the curry?
Yes, you can add vegetables to the curry. Vegetable, pulses and millets are common additions to curry, and the tempering and the spices. Thank you very much for tuning in. It's always been a pleasure. I've already started missing you, but I look forward to seeing you next Tuesday 4 p.m. Till then, keep up with all of the guidelines and don't forget to fill up your forms. Bye bye.